Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I broke my own rule. I'm going to do an unboxing of my my Porch meal. This is from Sigma. Sigma had a very good sale going on, and I absolutely could not help myself. So my no buy pertained to not buying anything new. You know, I'm using what I have unless I see something on, you know, clearance or a really good deal. So this was a really good deal. But I want to just unpack a few things that I got. So here's the box. And the first thing I see in here is their little brochure telling you who they are and things like that. And you guys know Sigma has some of my absolute favorites. They are a clean beauty, vegan beauty, and cruelty-free beauty. So you get that in there, and it's got a little QR code on the back. And the next thing in here is another one of their pamphlets, and this goes over. Oh, it's got all of their products on this, I do believe. Yes. Oops, I dropped one. All of the eye brushes, all of the palettes that they have. And those are just lips. I'm not going to go pick it up. So, with my order, they usually send this Sigmagic little sample of brush shampoo. And I do like this. So, usually kind of put those packets together. Now, these two, I'd heard Robert Welsh talk about the Sigma eyeshadow bases, primers, for years, and how they're his favorites. And these, I got one in the shade Earthen and the other in Sorbet. And I'll just kind of show you. They're kind of deep. I'm not going to open these just yet. I'll do a try on. But I wanted something in case I just wanted to use these as like a shadow stick. And I do think these were on sale for $9, and they're usually right around $20. And the main star of the show is this palette, which actually looks smaller than what I thought it was going to be. That's okay. I got it, I think it was like half off maybe. But it is the Sigma Diana Saldana, I hope I said that right, palette. I will open this. And this is one of their newer releases. And it did not come with a brush like their other palettes do, but it did come with a nice little shadow protector that covers the mirror, that covers the shadows, a nice mirror, and these are what the shades look like. Oh, they're not beautiful? Beautiful. Oh man, I can't wait. But these just have all the tones that I love. I think when I look at this palette, and I really looked at it, every matte shade is a shade I feel like would work with me. You know, I see, you know, this neutral, and this Good Vibes seems a little neutral. Cool tones just don't look good on me. But so I saw all of these, and I just thought, oh gosh, I got to have it. So I think it was regularly $48, and I got it for $24. I think I got free shipping. Anyway, I got 3 things for a really good price, and I had gotten a reward on my Good RX, so I was able to get this palette, and I got another palette on order from Saints, Angels, and Sinners. It's an indie brand. You guys should check them out. I love them. And Sigma always packs their stuff so good. I mean, let me just show you this box. This box, I mean, it is deep with, that's how deep it is. And I mean, that's how thick the packaging in it was. And the palette, of course, was wrapped, and it was nestled right there. So I've always been very impressed with Sigma's packaging. So that is what was on the porch today. My little grandbaby, I was actually in the bathroom, and little Addie, she came running in here. Gaga, gaga, gaga. I said, what, baby, what? I'll be out in a minute. She says, the mailman brought you something. So my plan was I was going to let her unbox it with me, but they had a play date today, so that worked out even better, because I've got to do my daughter's going to some kind of fancy shindig, and she asked me would I do her hair and makeup. I said yes. Why, I normally love doing that and love doing it on other people. Doing it on my children, good gracious sakes, it's not always easy, y'all, because they can be they can be a bit unprofessional. I love you girls, but it's a constant, looking at their phone, and I'm like, hold your head up, close your eyes. Anyway, but she has the eyes for any combination. She really does. So that's what I had been swatching a little bit on my hand, what I wanted to do. And I think her dress is red. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dress. It's floor length red. I think it's got some little sparkles on it. But, I pulled out, I don't have very many cool tone palettes. I was going to use Charlotte Tilbury. I was like, you know what, I'll spoil her. I'll use Charlotte Tilbury. She knows that name. She's young. And I said, well, none of these are a little pink. They don't look like I want them to. So I pulled out my Naked 3. I remembered this was cool tone, but this is a bit more pink than I wanted. So I don't think I'm gonna go in with that. But then I remembered I had the Naked Urban Decay Naked Smoky, and these have a lot of beautiful cool tones, and I ended up, I'll just give y'all a sneak little peek. I grabbed my little e.l.f. magnetic pool, which is, I'll do it again because I want to show you what it looked like. So that's it, just put on. And then I took, what shade did I take? Yes, it was in this palette. I took the shade Armor, which is that shade, and then I took the shade High, which is that shade, and I put them over top of, that. So just kind of set it with that shimmer shade that's almost that same color, but it gives it a little shine. And then I took this shade and I just kind of tapped. I mean, obviously this is rough, and I kind of just tapped it, and I just thought, well, that was going to give a really pretty, you know, shine. I did end up putting a little, some more color tattoo. Kind of mixed it to see which one I like better, and I don't really know. But anyway, and then of course I did some blushes and lip liners or whatever, but I thought, what would go better with a red lip than a smoky eye? So I'm going to do a minimal look on her eye because I want her dress to be the focus. But anyway, when I'm done, I'll try to put a picture up. But anyway, that's what my plan is for today, which is why I look pretty haggard. And I've got my old, oh no, I do got my regular glasses on. I had these on to begin with, and these are my no-line bifocals, and these are my just lined bifocals that I wear around the house. Anyway, okay guys, that's what's going on, and I'm not going to film getting her ready because it's a whole process, and I don't want to do a lot of unnecessary pressure on her, on myself. But anyway, all right guys, y'all wish me luck. Bye.